I've been working to recreate a 1950s all-terrain vehicle concept called the Rhino. We got a Thwaites one-ton dumper, moved the seating position, and tilted all the axles at 15 degrees. Now we need to make these huge hemispherical wheels. This is the part of the Rhino which I'm most interested in. What's the plan then, Furs? This is the plan. We'll make some ribs, a bit like a skeleton, and then in between that, have some plates, slightly thinner. A bit like a bicycle, how, like, you know, the individual components won't be very strong, but once it's all welded together, hopefully it'll be okay. It's quite a big one, it's a circle. I was a bit worried it was going to be too small. And then the centre hub, which has the holes which bolt straight onto the axle, that'll sit there. Now I've got a little bit trick. I've gone all notchy slotty. Basically, at the end of each spoke, there's a little slit, and then at the end of the ribs, I've got like these little catches. They sit in there very nicely, and then when I come to weld it all together, you know, I get them all in the right place. Also, on the other end, there's a little slit, which is this going to be slip rolled into my access ring, and then they'll slot together like that, which will go around on there. That'll be a circle, obviously, and I've done the same thing on the middle tube as well. This is going to get slip rolled, and this has got all these little tabs that stick out the top of it, and they'll go in these little notches here. Right. Better do some slip rolling and some welding now. Right, we've got our skeleton. I'm quite happy with this. Now the difficult bit now is filling in these little bits. We have like a little cone I've slip rolled. That will fit in there like that. This little bit here, which will sit on top of it and weld in there. And then I'll adjust this little bit so it sits in here and does the final part of it. Right, let's make another. Oh, we got another one. I've had a little drive around. All seems okay. Right, 2 for the back. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Okay, we've got 4 complete wheels, and they do not touch when it steers. That I'm very happy about. This thing needs some sort of bodywork. It needs a cover. Can't just use it like this. Doesn't look very good, does it? Okay, here's my plan, which on the face of it will seem very complicated, but it's just what I want to do. So, I'm going to get loads of panels, plasma cut out, press braked all the sides on, drilled holes like tabs. That will sit in there, and then they'll have individual panels all coming off at funny angles. Okay, this looks blooming awesome. Futuristic, but it's got that retro touch with the nuts and bolts. I might put a little extra roll cage across the top, give me a little bit more protection. Oh yes, it is looking fantastic. But we've got one more job before we can set this thing for a spin. We need some rubber treads. So we're going to bend these round in here, put some studs on with a stud welder and fix them to it. And that's it, fitted. And after 32 of them, it looks like this. Okay, my 1950s concept wheel vehicle is ready for testing. Now I think this thing looks absolutely brilliant, but is it going to do what it's supposed to do? Is it going to laugh at the muddiest of mud? We shall see. I've no idea how this is going to perform. I'll look at it and think, yeah, it's going to be really good. And then I'll look at it from another angle and think, not so sure. Anyway, subscribe. That is the next video. Right. What's going to happen, Colin? I don't know.